Hi, today I'm reviewing the VT Reedle Shot Serum 300, and really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, check out the links below, or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so this one, I have a few photos. I took a photo before I started using it and a photo after I started using it. I will say, I start with the 300. There's three versions, 100, 300, I think the other one's 900? Or 600? 900? Start with the 100. I thought, you know what, I can handle it. The 300's a little bit stronger, and I kind of wish I would start with the 100, but anyway, it's too late for that now. I'm not going backwards in time. So, anyway, so just something to consider. Okay, so they say this hypoallergenic skin treatment is infused with Centella, Asiatica extract, and hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture deep within skin and strengthen the skin barrier for a soft and hydrated finish. Niacinamide and Madecassoside in the mix provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It gently exfoliates away dead skin cells for smooth skin. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive benefits. It's a treatment product that penetrates deep into the skin. Used ingredients which are in microneedle form, provide better absorption and effectiveness, contains Centella. Anyway, so you kind of get the picture. What it uses is silica, also known as like spicules, and you will feel them the second you start using it. So, and I'll talk about that in the ingredients in a second. So, okay, first criteria, packaging. It comes in a plastic airless pump bottle. Does have the expiration date on the bottom, which is nice. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those, and it's fragrance-free. It has no scent to it at all, so that's a nice thing. And the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So I will tell you how to get the most benefits out of this, in my opinion. So I do think it smooths my skin out. So I will say, do a patch test so you know what you're expecting when you apply it to your skin. Highly recommend it. Do a patch test on your inner arm, inner elbow, at that area. Do a patch test, especially if you have sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, I know they say it's sensitive skin friendly, but some people may feel a little uncomfortable with it, and I kind of did at first, and I've tried lots of peels and crazy things on my skin. So anyway, so definitely do a patch test. So how to use during your night routine after washing your face: spread it over skin, massage until absorbed. It may feel uncomfortable. So anyway, I didn't fully massage it, but I applied it. So they say the Real Shot 300 can be used every 3 days or twice a week. And do not use it with the Real Shot 100 and 700. That's the other one. I think the 700 is supposed to be used once a week, and the 100 you're supposed to be able to use every day. And do not use it with any devices, and don't use it after doing any cosmetic procedures or microneedling or anything like that. You don't want to do it. So when you apply it, it literally just feels like a scratching sensation over your face. It kind of feels a little bit uncomfortable. Yeah, so I kind of noticed that tingling, scratching sensation from the silica. The silica's going to be the main thing. So that silica kind of scratches your skin or a little bit. So then it kind of allows other products you apply to penetrate a little bit deeper than it would. So my favorite use of this was with copper peptides and other peptide products. I really liked using with that. I don't really recommend using with a lot of other actives or things like that. And once you use it, you'll kind of know why, and you'll kind of get that feeling why you don't want to use with a lot of other actives or things like that. But using with copper peptides was great, and I think the spicules in there do help it penetrate a little bit better, and that's the main criticism of peptides, that, oh, they don't penetrate. You know what? I don't. Copper peptides and peptides, they do amazing things. They might not fully be totally understood, but if you've used them, peptides are amazing. They're game-changing. They're world-changing. They're life-changing in a lot of ways. I'm not even joking. Peptides are amazing. Do some digging on them. They are amazing. And I'm not just talking about topical peptides, peptides for everything. Do digging. They're amazing. I love them. My favorite thing of all time. I almost think peptides can change the world. But anyway, I might be going a little bit crazy, but I'm not totally joking. So, okay. So, anyway, so after using it, be cautious with other actives. Yeah. So you want to use it in your evening routine. You won't want to use it in your daytime routine. And after you apply this, give it a second to soak in, and then apply moisturizer or serum or whatever else. So, Once it soaks in, it sets to a natural finish. It's a little tacky, but it's not going to be a deal because you're going to use something after this. You're going to want to use a moisturizer or peptides or something like that afterwards. So very easy to use once you get over the sensation. And once you use it, you'll know it feels scratchy. Spicules, so. Okay, so let me talk about the beneficial ingredients in this one. So they kind of laid it out a little bit in the about, but anyway, we've got niacinamide, anti-acne, skin brightening ingredient. We've got macadamia nut oil, a good emollient. It's also barrier repairing ingredient. We've got adenosine, which is a good cell communicating anti-inflammatory peptide. We've got Centella Asiatica extract, great antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, soothing ingredient. Sodium hyaluronate, the humectant. We've got that silica. Silica, it's a natural mineral. It helps stimulate absorption of active ingredients in skincare. Silica is used in a lot of also used in a lot of makeup and things because sometimes it soaks up oil and things. So silica, spicules, whatever you want to call it. It's just natural. I think it's made from sea sponge, I want to say. So there we go. Okay, we've got propolis extract, which is the wax of propolis. It's an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient. It's amazing. Propolis is great for your skin, so if you haven't tried anything with propolis, CosRx has a lot of good ones with propolis in there that are worth checking out, including their propolis toner is wonderful. Okay, next up, we've got several components from Centella. We've got Asiaticoside, Madecassoside, Madecassic acid, and Asiatic acid. They're all compounds from Centella. They have wound healing, antioxidant, collagen production, synthesis, skin soothing, anti-aging, and skin regenerating properties. Amazing components. Then we've got several amino acids. We've got glycine, serine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, leucine, alanine, lysine, arginine, tyrosine, phenylalanine, threonine, proline, valine, isolene, histidine, methionine, cysteine, amino acids, skin identical ingredients, hydrating ingredients, and barrier repairing ingredients. Amazing ingredients. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, so no issues at all with that. Love that. Okay, in terms of performance, so it's an interesting product, and I'm glad. I think it was Heather that asked me about it a handful of times, so then I was like, oh, I got to try this. And then I'd forget, or I'd research it, and it would be out of stock, or it wouldn't be on sale, because if it's not on sale, it's kind of pricey. So I put it off, but I'm glad I finally tried it. I wish I would have started with the 100. I get why they have a system there, but then I thought, well, you know, normally somebody like me, I would just go straight to the highest one, but I held back and I didn't do that, so I'm proud of myself. Okay, so for what this promises, it promises to replenish moisture to the skin, to strengthen the skin barrier, to provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, and to smooth skin. I honestly think this is one of the few products that actually delivers on all of the accounts, perhaps except for strengthening the skin barrier. It does have ingredients that help that, but then the spicules and things like that, I don't necessarily think that. I just didn't see it strengthening my skin barrier, but it doesn't necessarily mean it isn't doing it. I just didn't notice that. But honestly, it makes a lot of promises, and honestly, it delivers on pretty much all of them. So that is impressive. That doesn't happen. A lot of times they underpromise, or they overpromise and underdeliver. They promised it and pretty much delivered on all of it. So that's nice to see. So in the long run, I think it will strengthen the skin barrier. You just need to follow up and continue to use it. And I do think it helps penetrate. Although, you know, sometimes when you think, if it's meant to help other products penetrate better, at the same time, can it strengthen the skin barrier? You know what I mean? Aren't those two kind of contradictory statements? I don't know. Anyway, so otherwise, it definitely has a smoothing effect on skin. Your skin feels really nice the next morning when you rinse it off. It does help other products absorb better, like peptides. So, okay, for acne-prone skin, we've got 2 ingredients of note: Ethylhexyl, Palmitate, and Sorbitan Oleate. So, there you go. In terms of the price, so this is the full size, 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces, and the price varies. 41 bucks. You know, though a little bit goes a long way. You're going to use it twice a week. A bottle like this will last you months. So 41 bucks. Yeah, it's pricey. So not as pricey as you'd you'd think, but it's just on that edge of being too expensive, I think. So, then in terms of the it factor, I might have got too lenient in the past with the it factor because I really meant the it factor to be for products like this that were different, you know, crazy different, or, you know, products like this, or copper peptides that have a totally unique factor, or anyway. So this definitely has the it factor. It's definitely a unique product. I haven't really seen a lot of, I can only think of one other product I've tried with spicules in them. Would I repurchase this? I definitely would. Next time I will go back to 100, I think. Maybe start there. But anyway, I'm really enjoying using this. It's new. I like that. I like trying new things. Or like the Skin Fix when they came out with the new retinoid that really hadn't been used a lot. That was exciting too. So anyway, if you have extremely sensitive skin or sensitive skin, I would just start with the 100 version. Listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying. I wish I would start with 100. So start with the 100 and work your way up. Anyway, otherwise it's a totally unique, different product worth a try. So anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, this one a 9. My only issue is the price, and maybe with demand. I mean, I think somebody must have done a video about it, so then it kind of went viral, and demand goes up, price goes up, right? Or demand goes up, price goes up, inventory goes up or down. Whatever.
Economics by Sarah.
Economics. I know economics save money. That's my economic lesson. Okay. Interested hearing from you guys. If you've tried this one yet or not, leave a comment, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thanks. Bye, guys.